Okay guys, we just wanted to show you what we did on the camper so far. We're going to be taking it out for vacation next week and got most of the work done that we have to get done right away. We will be making more upgrades before we go full time. We did install new stabilizer jacks. We got all new running lights, all LED lights inside and out. And we got our new flooring put in. I did do the window treatments right away. I wasn't planning on it, but as you recall, there was a shelf back there which we had to take off the wall because it would have been in the way of Terry sleeping. He would have been hitting his head all the time. So in taking that off the wall, we did do a little damage to the wall, so had to do the walls right away as well. I decided to go with wallpaper instead of painting. Just took off the valances and the blinds and put up curtains. Threw in one of my homemade rag rugs. I will be making a different one in the future. Added our backsplash. And we did make the couch a permanent bed, which is a pain in the you-know-where to make, but that's just something we'll have to deal with. We've got memory foam there, about 6 inches, I do believe. I didn't do much in the bathroom as of yet, just the flooring, a new shower curtain. In the future we will be replacing this tub surround because it's just loosely screwed in and not very stable. I did redo the caulking. In the future probably will be painting in here. New window treatment. And that's about everything we did so far. Does look a lot homier and cozier than it did before. And I have started loading stuff in here, but oh, nothing there. But it's gonna be a long road to organization. I mean, you just throw stuff in here and then as you go you figure out what works best where. So Friday we will be leaving on a 5-day camping trip. Oh, can't talk today. Up in northern Wisconsin, and we'll be checking out lots of waterfalls and Lake Superior and have all kinds of great videos. Oh, one more thing we did too is we took these standard RV pole legs that were screwed in the floor off and put folding legs on there because we figure while boondocking there'll be spots that don't have picnic tables, so then we can just take this one, outside when we need to and just bring it back in. Plus I hated to screw them legs back into my brand new flooring. So if you'd like, just let me know what you think in the comments. I'd like to hear your opinions. As some of you might have noticed that this window, these curtains have rings on them and none of the rest of them do. That's because for some reason, possibly I put up the curtain rod high or whatever, these curtains were too short, so I had to extend them down a little bit. So yeah, she's shaping up. We are going to be getting some kind of little propane stove to put here, and that's going to be our heating source because we're going to be taking the furnace out that's over there. So we're in the process of searching for a cute little propane stove to hook up to the main line. Let's see what else we plan on doing. Oh, we're going to be getting a keyless entry lock. We will also be adding water filters. Can't think of anything else offhand, but I know we had a ton of things we were planning on doing. The air conditioner works really good, so we don't have to do anything with that right now. And I ended up being 2 tiles short, so I had to piece them together here by the door, which I thought would be quite obvious, but it turned out better than I thought. But I figured I'd put a little mat there anyway just to catch all the dirt and stuff. I think when we go full time, these nice 2 little closets, I think we're each going to have to use one of them for clothes. I don't think I'm going to be able to use one for a pantry because there really is not a lot of clothes storage here. So we'll probably be going that way, and then I'll just use this cabinet here for food, and we've got plenty of room in the refrigerator for food. So there shouldn't be a shortage of food organization space. So thanks for watching, and I really would like to know what you think about the remake here. Comments will be appreciated. Thanks, guys. See you next week.